Imagine a place where even light itself cannot escape the darkness. What happens if you fall into a black hole? Gravity becomes so intense that the very fabric of space twists and pulls. Not theory, but terrifying reality. Beyond the event horizon, time itself begins to stand still forever. The final plunge into reality.
A black hole is born when a giant star dies. Deep within its core, the fuel that once pushed outward finally runs out. Gravity, no longer held at bay, begins its final, crushing victory. In an instant, the entire mass of the star falls inward. The resulting supernova tears the outer layers apart, lighting up the galaxy. What remains is a point of infinite density where even light cannot escape. Around it, a ring of fire, spinning faster than anything you've ever seen. This is the accretion disk, a cosmic whirlpool of superheated gas and dust trapped by the gravity of a black hole. Friction and gravity compress the matter, heating it to millions of degrees until it glows with blinding intensity. The sheer speed creates a chaotic dance of plasma and sparks, swirling in a violent, high-speed spiral. As it spins, light itself is warped and bent, creating a distorted halo of brilliant energy. It is the brightest object in the universe, fueled by the ultimate destruction of matter. In the silent expanse of the cosmos, a lone voyager embarks on a journey toward the ultimate mystery. Ahead lies a gravitational behemoth, a point of no return where light itself is captured. Sensors scream as the ship enters the gravity well. Reality begins to shudder. As you get closer, the very fabric of existence begins to bend and stretch. Light curves into impossible paths. The laws of physics as we know them are failing. Space twists into a maelstrom of light and fury, a brilliant halo around the dark heart. At the edge of the event horizon, time itself slows to a crawl, frozen in the grip of the void. Welcome to the edge of the unknown, space twists.
Imagine time itself unraveling, the fabric of our reality starting to fray at the edges. The intricate gears of reality have finally ground to a standstill. To the world around you, you freeze, caught in a single eternal moment of stillness. But for you, the perspective shifts, the horizon expands into the unknown. The stars begin to swirl, and the entire universe speeds up. Time itself is broken.
In the vast silence of the cosmos, there exists a place where the laws of physics are pushed to their breaking point. A black hole. A celestial giant. Its gravity so immense that even light cannot escape its grasp. We approach the accretion disk, a swirling vortex of superheated gas and dust, glowing with an intense, violent energy. The stars behind it warp and twist, caught in the grip of spacetime's most extreme distortion. Then, you reach it, the event horizon. The boundary between the known universe and the eternal dark. The point of no return. There is no escape, only the void. In the heart of the cosmos, gravity becomes absolute, bending light and time itself. As you approach the event horizon, the laws of physics begin to unravel in a surreal display. Your body gets stretched. The difference in gravity between your feet and head becomes a violent tidal force. Pulled apart, atom by atom, matter loses its form in the face of infinite density. This is spaghettification, a surreal distortion where the human shape is rewritten by cosmic power. Time slows to a crawl. In this space, seconds feel like aeons as you are drawn deeper into the singularity, where space and time merge into a single, infinite point of no return. The universe watches in silence as another fragment of reality is consumed by the void. Only the cosmic echoes remain, a journey into the absolute end of existence. Welcome to the edge of the known universe. Here, at the event horizon, the laws of physics begin to unravel into something unrecognizable. You are entering a realm of warped geometry. Space bends, light twists, and reality itself is distorted by forces beyond our comprehension. Inside the heart of the warp, space and time switch places. What was once distance is now duration. Impossible structures rise and fall in the gravitational tide. Geometry bends into shapes that mathematics cannot describe. Crystalline echoes of a dying star. You're no longer moving through space. The coordinates of your very existence have shifted. You are the center of a storm that spans eons. Every direction leads inward. Every moment stretches into infinity, an infinite recursive tunnel where mirrors of the past reflect the light of the future. You're falling through time itself, watching the history of the cosmos flicker past like a half-remembered dream in the dark. In this glowing distortion, the past and future collide in a violent singularity. There is no before and no after, only the eternal now. This is the true nature of a singularity. a cosmic kaleidoscope of light and energy, pulsing with the rhythm of creation. In the vast, silent reaches of the cosmos, there are places where the known laws of nature simply cease to function. Places of terrifying power and absolute darkness that challenge everything we believe about reality. At the center of such a phenomenon lies the singularity, a point of no return where the gravitational pull is so immense that not even light can escape its grasp. Infinite density. Imagine the mass of billions of suns crushed into a space smaller than a single atom. It is a place where gravity becomes a force of total annihilation, condensing matter into the impossible, where physics breaks. The equations of Einstein and Hawking fall silent as space and time are twisted into an impossible knot, revealing the raw, chaotic mechanics
Deep in the cosmic void lies a
edge.
mystery that defies
What
physics.
lies beyond
the
this
black
breakpoint
hole.
remains the
Beyond its
ultimate
event
mystery,
horizon,
a
light
gateway
itself
to the
cannot
unknown.
escape.
Subscribe
Some believe
for daily
that
space
these
facts.
are not just dead ends, but gateways, thresholds leading to the very edge of existence. Imagine space-time as a fabric that can be folded, creating a bridge between our world and the vast unknown. As we cross the horizon, space twists into a wormhole, a cosmic artery pulsing with the energy of a billion stars. Inside this passage, time takes a new form. We see infant galaxies being born from the swirling chaos of the tunnel walls. Nebulas ignite in an instant, creating entire universes within the narrow confines of this space-time corridor. These passages lead to alternate dimensions, where gravity behaves differently and the sky is filled with impossible colors. Or perhaps they lead to something even stranger. Realities hidden behind a veil of light, waiting to be discovered. Could our universe be just one note in a grand cosmic symphony? The journey into the heart of the unknown is just beginning.
Black holes are not just objects in the vastness of space. They are the most mysterious phenomena in our universe. They are not just objects made of matter. They are points where the very laws of physics begin to break down. They are the end of reality as we know it, a boundary beyond which nothing, not even light, can escape. Once you cross the event horizon, space and time swap roles, and every path leads inevitably to the center. Time itself slows to a crawl near the edge. To an outside observer, you would appear frozen forever at the moment of entry. At the heart lies the singularity, where the entire mass of a star is crushed into a point of infinite density. Slowly, the light of the universe fades away, leaving nothing but an eternal, silent darkness. If this scared you, subscribe to AstroFlash, because space is darker than you think.